Guys, guess what I got? It's my Glossybox for February. Oops, I accidentally ripped it out. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, here. I got the NCLA Los Angeles nail polish in black. Black to black. And then I got a Dragon's Blood eye mask, Hydrate and Tone, and Rodale, I guess is how it's called. I love me some masks. And then I got me Verso Nurturing Cream with Niacinamide, number 3. Well, I guess it would help if I looked at this stupid card, huh, you guys? Get a long-lasting, hydrating, and well-balanced skin with the intense cream with vitamin B3. This is a deluxe size sample for $27. The full size is a $90 value, you guys. And I don't know. This is not in there. This, you could have got white or black, and I think the London people are getting the white. This is a $16 value, the lacquer. Vita Labra. Yeah, I'm not going to pronounce. I can't pronounce that. Right up here. Apply to clean skin and face and body daily to build a natural look and tone. Who says you can't be tan or glowing in summer? This self-tanning lotion is perfect for seasons to getting some sun glow in the winter. Oh, so it's tanning lotion. I don't know how to think about that one. But this is a deluxe sample of 50 mils worth $5. The full size is $20. Oh, how cute. Okay. I'm going to show you the boxes. This is really cute. Okay, this is a set. The shampoo and the conditioning bottles. Ecos. That. And then that name. Remove impurities and restore your hair in a natural shine, which this does. The shampoo forms a creamy foam and cleanse, and hydrates and prevents breakage, and while the conditioner makes a made with Brazilian whatever you want butters and softens the strands. The deluxe sample is $4.74. The full size is $47. Okay, I'm very curious. I got to smell this. They got a beautiful smell to them. That was the conditioner. They smell good. These are nice for traveling. And then we got from Cab Cosmetics, a fresh